Welcome to a tutorial on changing your Chrome homepage to Google Search. Let's begin. On your computer, open up Google Chrome. At the top right-hand side of the screen, click on the Settings button, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Now click on Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Where it says, On Startup, choose the option to open a specific page or set of pages. If you see other websites listed here, tap the 3 dots button and then click Remove. Now click on Add a new page. Enter google.com. Your homepage has now been changed to google.com. Test it by closing Chrome and reopening it to confirm it worked. And that draws an end to this short tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.